At the MSI GL65, a high-powered gaming laptop featuring up to an Intel 9th generation Core i7 and a range of graphics cards from an NVIDIA GTX 1650 or 1660 Ti to even an RTX 2060. Let's start with taking a look at what comes in the box. First is the laptop itself and its protective sleeve, next is the power adapter, and of course a warranty card and product information. It powers through games like the latest Call of Duty Modern Warfare and popular titles such as Fortnite, Apex Legends and PUBG. Keeping all that cool is the MSI Cooler Boost 5 design, making use of dual fans, a total of 7 heat pipes and increased intake area from below with 3 exhausts at the sides. The redesigned base helps improve airflow by over 10% to keep you gaming for longer and cooler. MSI redesigned the GL65 chassis to have very thin bezels, just 5mm, around its up to 120Hz IPS level display with a screen to body ratio of 82% for the best gaming experience possible. MSI have also included new giant speakers that are 5 times bigger than before, with a 40% increase in maximum volume while still having great quality and detail. They help you hear more from your games and work with the all-new Nahimic 3 software, included the new MSI App Player, which was developed under exclusive partnership with BlueStacks to provide a seamless gaming experience between PC and mobile games, allowing you to play your favourite mobile games on the laptop at higher frame rates and better quality. The new GL65 also features an optional per-key RGB keyboard from SteelSeries that you can customise with lighting, macros and game sense to suit your playstyle perfectly. This laptop is suited for anyone who wants to play the latest games at high refresh rates, from Call of Duty to Fortnite.